Do you know that about 70% of relationships break up within their first year? And when it comes to long-distance relationships, the success rate is about 58%. So, the question here is, how do you make a long-distance relationship work? If that's what you want to know, stay tuned. Hey there! Dave here from the Dating Lab. In this video, I will share my top 3 strategies to make a long-distance relationship work. Of course, these strategies can be used in any other relationship. If you're ready, let's dive right in. Building a relationship requires commitment and understanding. This is because a relationship is the coming together of two individuals with different exposures, ideologies, and personalities. When two people from different backgrounds come together, they bring in their unique perspectives and personalities, which require alignment to make the relationship work. These are very important factors that you need to consider, as they can either make or break your relationship. So, if you want your relationship to work, pay attention to these factors. To make a long-distance relationship work, the following strategies will help. Number 1, building trust. Trust is essential in every relationship. In fact, no relationship can thrive without trust, as it helps build bonds and provides a sense of security. Without trust, a relationship will struggle and may eventually break up. Therefore, building trust requires intentional effort and cannot be taken for granted. Trust doesn't come cheaply. It must be earned and actively built. At the beginning of a relationship, there may be a level of trust, but that is not enough to sustain it. As both of you get along, many things are going on, and trust cannot be questioned due to shady behavior. Both partners should intentionally build trust. Transparency and openness are effective ways to build trust. Getting to know each other better and spending quality time together are also important for building trust. In a long-distance relationship, spending time together can be challenging, but you can use creative ways such as video calls, watching movies together, playing games, cooking together, shopping together, and sharing stories to maintain a strong emotional connection. Like I said earlier, trust is essential in any relationship, but it is especially important in long-distance relationships. Make sure you and your partner are open and honest with each other, and that you communicate regularly. This means being honest about your feelings, both positive and negative, and being willing to share your thoughts and experiences with each other. It also means being respectful of each other's time and space, and being understanding when things don't go according to plan. Number 2, setting realistic expectations. Going into a relationship without a clear definition or direction can lead to confusion and misunderstandings. It is important to have realistic expectations and a clear understanding of what the relationship is all about. Define the purpose of the relationship, what each partner can offer, and what to expect from each other. Establish boundaries and support each other's goals. Open communication is crucial for managing emotions and resolving conflicts. Talk about everything that is bothering you or makes you uncomfortable in the relationship. A relationship requires commitment, so be ready for it. If you are not ready for a committed relationship, it's better not to be in one. Empathy plays a significant role in managing emotions and resolving conflicts. Practice empathy in your relationship to maintain a strong emotional connection. It is important to be realistic about what you can expect from a long-distance relationship. There will be times when you feel lonely or frustrated, but it is important to remember that you are in this together. You need to be patient and understanding with each other, and be willing to work through the challenges that come up. It is also important to set realistic expectations for communication and visits. You may not be able to talk to each other every day, or see each other as often as you would like, but you can still make time for each other even when you are apart. Number 3, create shared goals. Shared goals provide direction and purpose for the relationship. If you are heading towards marriage or a long-term commitment, it's important to plan and set goals together. Understand each other's dreams, align them with your own, and work towards building a future together. Shared goals help build security and transparency in a relationship. Having shared goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your relationship. It can be helpful to set goals for things like visiting each other, planning for the future, or working on personal growth. This will give you something to look forward to, and help you stay connected even when you are apart. Bonus tip, learn to compromise. Compromise is crucial in any relationship. It requires finding a balance and supporting each other. Both partners should be willing to compromise and hold themselves accountable. It takes the effort of both individuals to make a relationship work. Remember to share this video with your partner and apply these strategies. If you want to learn proven ways to build and sustain a long-term relationship, watch the video up here. If you want advice on dealing with heartbreak, I recommend you watch another video. See you in the next video. Note, check the description below for our top recommended resources on relationship goals.